Yeah, in this video, we will see how to create checkboxes. So for that, first I'll create a layout, which is a linear layout, so that my checkbox is placed either horizontally or vertically. Just to give an idea, a checkbox will allow you to choose multiple options, and one checkbox component is independent of the other. Meaning, if I click one checkbox, it is not going to affect the other checkboxes. So whenever you have an application where I want to choose multiple options, then we're going to use what is called as a checkbox. So I'll create a layout so that I can place my checkboxes. So if I want to place it horizontally or vertically, so I'll choose vertically and I'll place it here. So this is my layout, linear layout, which is vertical. You can see it here. So now I just adjust my constraint. I'll delete the text view, which is here. Okay. So now I'll adjust this such that, it comes properly onto my mobile screen. Okay. So I'm just moving this. So here I'll set the parameter. So I want it fully. So I'll set it to 0 so that there is no gap in between. So this is also 0. So here, I think I'll just leave it to this. And here also I leave it as it is. So my layout, my linear layout, which is placed on the constraint layout, is fixed here. So now I'm going to place the checkboxes. So checkbox, for that I have to go to the buttons here. So here you can see there is a checkbox. So I'll click it, I'll drag it and place it here. Okay, same thing goes here, checkbox. I'll place around 3 checkboxes. Right. So my design is ready, but I want to rename this. So I want to rename this. There are you can either go to the XML file and rename, or I can go here. Okay, come down to my attributes here. You don't want to write any XML code. You come down here and you have a text option here. That is this. Say I will type this to be coffee. Okay, you see it got reflected, and the XML code for that will also be generated. So I'll click on this now, and I'll come to this and say T. Okay, done. And I have here another one. So here I will click this as say juice. Okay, done. Okay, so in this in the previous cases I've shown you how to go to the XML file and edit the attribute called text. Here we went to the attributes dialog boxes here, and there I have actually edited. So now if you go to the code of this particular design, you can see that this tag is getting added here. So text is coffee. Okay, there are 3 checkboxes which I have placed it, and it was inside the linear layout. So you have a linear layout outside here. Inside that I have a checkbox. In that I have given coffee. Second one is the tea, and third one is the juice. And I close the linear layout. Right? So if you want to increase the or decrease the width of this particular checkbox, because you can see here in the design, the checkbox, when I move my mouse pointer here, it is stretched the entire matching the parent. I do not want this. Then I go to the code. I define here the width and height of the checkbox. So here also I'll do the same thing, so that it is packed compact, so that it doesn't go to the entire stretch of the screen. So same thing I go here. Okay, so now we'll go to the design window. So here, so now you can see previously this was stretched to the matching the parent. Now the width is reduced, the height I remained it to the wrap it to this particular whatever you say, this particular text, right? So now if I launch this, so let us see how does it look like. So it's taking a little time. So you can see here there's a Gradle build running. Takes a little time, so just have patience. Okay, it has come up now. Okay, done. So this is the name of the app I have given, and since I have placed it close to this particular linear layout, which is vertical, it has been displayed here. Okay, so this is how my checkbox is being created and launched onto the mobile phone as an app. Yeah, thank you.